welcome to Chef Shivanath Recipes. With me, Chef Shivanath. Today I am going to show you one different snack recipe, that is cabbage patties. I am going to show this recipe with perfect measurements. Don't miss it. Take 100 grams of cabbage and cut into small pieces. Boil the cabbage for 15 minutes. Remove the excess water and transfer into a bowl. Take a frying pan and add little amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add chopped onions and fry it on a low flame. Fry until the onions turns into golden brown color. Once it's done, now transfer these onions into a cabbage bowl. Now add half cup of chopped coriander. Add around 25 grams of suji rava. Add 1 egg. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add required amount of salt. Mix everything. After mixing, rest it for 15 minutes. Now start preparing cabbage patties. Like as shown in the video. Take a pan, add little amount of oil. Once oil get heated, drop the cabbage patties one by one. Turn both sides and fry it on a low flame. Once we get the golden color for these cabbage patties, switch off the flame and transfer these cabbage patties into the serving plate. Enjoy these snacks with your friends and family members. In next episode, I am going to present you mutton curry. For getting instant notification from our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.